All right, guys, so this is it. The Vacmaster Professional Beast series. Oh man, I've been waiting all week for this to come in. All right, so these are the attachments. We're gonna open it up and we're gonna see everything else that comes with it. It's a 14-gallon tank, 6.5 peak horsepower motor, 123 cubic feet, so the CFM, and an 82-inch water lift. I'm pretty sure on the actual Vacmaster website it said 84 inches for a water lift. So that's I gotta confirm that, but yeah. This is a wet dry vacuum, which I'm gonna convert purely for as a extractor to clean out cars, detail cars and stuff. Very cheap. Oh man, I did not catch the price. $226. I had to double check on the price. Compared to an extractor of similar power and torque, I would be looking at $600 to $800. So that's what I've been seeing online for something similar. So I have that. I have an attachment, and I got my power drill with the spray. What's up, buddy? And so I'm gonna use this to suck out this stain. Look at it. To suck out this stain, and I'm excited. I've never had a carpet extractor before. I've had a mini one from Bissell that cost me like 120, 130 bucks. It worked decent, you know, nothing crazy. I think it would have, I probably would have taken out that stain. But like I said, nothing crazy. All right, well, let's open up the box and see what it is that we're working with. She's more curious than I am, but trust me, guys, I've been waiting all week for this. Look at her, so curious. I'm waiting all week for this to come in. Don't want to accidentally break anything, so I'm trying not to go too deep with the knife. Okay. And right there in the middle. Okay. Unboxing. Sorry, man. You're gonna be cut up. Okay. All right. Bonus. What is this? Interesting. Oh, so it's, I guess it's a bag, collection bag. Never really had a wet dry vac before, so this whole experience is gonna be new for me. Oh man. Again, trying to get everything out one-handed, but isn't the easiest to do. Okay, one thing didn't come out. So what's in here? I'm gonna assume attachments for the hose. Here we go, we're gonna lift it out. Oh no, there's another one. Get this out. This I'm gonna assume is to pull it around. Make sure the cat's out of the way. I don't wanna hurt her. Here we go. Ugh, fairly heavy. Nothing crazy. Nothing in there, nothing in there. And this is the manual, which I'm going to need to help me set everything up. Get this box out. Okay. Shiny chrome, aluminum. Use the hose to let the water out, to drain the water out. This is where the hose is going to go, which I'm going to assume is probably inside. Doesn't work that way. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Just want to see. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, I'll be right back. Let me just figure out how this thing works. Well, you just pull this up, both sides, and they come right up. Now, I'm gonna need both hands for this. I'm gonna see what is in there. I had a feeling the attachment's right side. Look at that powerful. It's like a ram air intake. Alright, here's the hose. The wheels. Pretty cool. This goes around this. We're gonna use this for wet moisture. Okay. Oh, what is this? This is a little attachment bag you can put on the side of the vacuum. I'm gonna guess. Okay. More attachments. These are all pretty neat. Oh, there's a big one. With brushes on it. Bigger than my foot. I wear a size 9.5, times 10. Pretty cool. These are all big pieces, big attachments. Okay. Another big one. We got the squeegee. So there's like a squeegee thing on the bottom. Interesting. More wheels. A lot of wheels on it sunken. That's another thing. Put this up here. And this is, I'm going to assume, where the water goes into it. And as you can see, everything else. Okay. And that's it. Just minor stuff that just goes around and it has attachments. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything configured. I'm ready to go, so I'll be right back.